Hi, I'm Bill Brown, Chief of Aviation for AIM. So today was a great day. We have started an advisory board with industry leaders on it. We have American, Southwest, United, Delta, Launch Workforce Solutions, Piedmont. We're going to be adding some more industry leaders from MROs and defense to our advisory board. And the goal of the advisory board is to make AIM students better. It's also to help the industry because we all got to work together. All the A&P school networks combined still don't make up the demand shortage that is out there. But we as AIM, if we can build better students faster, then we can lead by helping solve that problem sooner. What students can look forward to from AIM is changes. The way our culture is inside of our hangar, we're going to develop a culture of you're going to work, not just school. Because once you leave school, everything you learned here, you have to do at your airline, MRO, or manufacturing company that you go to work for. And they have demands inside their hangars, such as clean as you go, wear hearing protection, follow work instructions, work as a team. We want that here in our hangar so that when you go get a job, you're successful in getting through your probationary period. And I think that's really important for our students to understand day one. So we're going to be putting inside of our classrooms and hangars our AIM code of conduct, which will make us better prepared for the future.